Hello everybody, Ronnie Lee, thebeanscene.com, and today I'm in Puerto Viejo. So we're gonna do a walkthrough. No cuts, no edits, just walking right down the main strip so you guys can see it as it is. So walk with me, let's go. So we were out last night tying one on, and so I'm a little hungover today, so I might not be as energetic and talkative as most of my videos, but you know, who needs narrative? So, if you've never been to the Caribbean side of Costa Rica, it's pretty cool, different, a lot more culture, a lot more color. Food has some spice to it. It's a great melting pot of different people, and just everybody is, you know, nice, just like the rest of Costa Rica. It's lovely, actually. Kid's not old enough to be on that moped. What the hell? I'm gonna cut across right here. Boom. Gotta go get some food. There's a lot of great food options here. Not one fast food place, not one chain. All independently owned. Ooh, yummy. I like that. Different types of food too. A lot of Italian. Of course, a lot of Caribbean food, typical, as always. It's a good melting pot. Best place to drink, right here. Hot Rocks. That's where I was last night. Also, if you need some drugs, this is the spot. Not that I know any of that. Look how pretty the water is. There we go. That's the coolest little fruit stand you'll ever see. These tuk-tuks are kind of cool. It's anywhere from 2 to 4 mil. Get you where you need to go. On the water here. And that's about it. That's the main strip. It goes down a little bit further, but that's pretty much the gist of it on the main strip there. And so yeah, thanks for watching me. Stay tuned for more videos, and like and subscribe. I don't think about it. Subscribe. And see you at the next one. Pura Vida.